Welcome to Design by Geeks. Today I'll be showing you some tips for assembling this Rissa Roxit Ghost gift box. A link to buy this SVG design is going to be in the video description. Start by cutting out your pieces on your cutting machine. There are two pieces, there's the box and the ghost. Next, pre-fold your box along the score lines. Now you're going to glue your ghost body onto the front of the box. When you're placing your glue, don't glue the arms because those are going to stay sticking out. Just glue along the main body shape. Next, you're going to place glue along this little side tab. And then you're going to fold it around to meet the opposite side. And just hold that in place until the glue dries. Next, we're going to fold in these sides. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring them together until they meet at a point. Hopefully you can see that. See, there's a little point where they meet, and I like to use a little tiny dot of glue to keep them at that point. And I'm just pressing in on the inside until that little dot of glue dries. That makes the next step a little bit easier. Next, you're going to apply glue on these angled tabs at the front and at the back so that we can then affix the front and back to the sides. So I'm starting with the front. I've got glue on those angled tabs, and I'm just going to gently fold back the front to meet those tabs. And again, I'm pressing it from the inside until that glue holds. And we're going to repeat the same process with the back. Once my glue is totally dry, I can then fill my box and then close down the bottom flaps in order to close the box. And there you go, you're all ready for spooky season. Thank you so much for watching, Ghosts and Ghouls. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.